so I'm gonna film a little bit later to get ready with me and talk about my weight loss little journey and everything like that. But right now I am in Elizabethtown and
look, Bob,
picking up
there's a cardboard maze.
I don't know who all shops like on Facebook Marketplace for like vintage pieces or anything like that. You know, you mix old and new together. And I know I'm heading out here, but y'all gotta see this. Vintage, you have to kind of drive all the way out. I am in the boonies right now. But it was worth it. The product was beautiful. This is a ride out here. It's like all farmland. Look at the animals. Look at the bull. Is that a bull? Yeah, it's a bull. It's pretty. It's bull and baby bull. Oh, look at the ducks all the way in the back.
Let me guess. We're not smart enough to wonder why I've had to take orders.
You see the ducks? They're so pretty. Look at the bull. He's pretty. He's a baby one too. Aww.
Look, there's goats there.
Yeah. Isn't it so pretty out here? What's that growing? Is that grapes or apple? Yeah, that's grapes, right? Cherry vines. Maybe grapes or cherry vines. I cannot wait to show you guys the vintage bench that I picked up. It is so pretty. It's so sturdy. But it's gorgeous out here. I think those was cherries. And I think this is corn. Nestle Vineyards. Oh, Nestle. This ain't Nestle. Like Nestle Crunch. Oh, it's probably something for Hershey. It's probably part of the farms for Hershey. So if you're not familiar, Hershey PA produces like Hershey's Chocolate World. He produces like a majority of these pretty houses. They're so spread out. Alright, so I'm heading back to the house, and once I get the bench set up.
Gather tree to clouds.
Oh yeah, I see.
Gather tree to clouds.
He's seeing the windmills and it's
Yeah,
like.
the gather tree to
Oh
clouds.
yeah, here, let me show you. This is what he's talking about. I think that, what is that? That's a like a water channel, maybe. Okay, when I get back into the house, I'm gonna set it up and let y'all see how where I'm going to put it at, how I'm going to use it. There's either two places, either upstairs in the main bathroom or downstairs in the foyer area. But I'll show you when we get in. Okay. So after we see in this beautiful farmland and receives this beautiful bench, this is the next day. Diner. It's called Metro Diner, and it was on Food Network. Diners, dives, and drive-ins, and I'm about to film some of this, but all right, meet y'all inside. And drives. Try to film that breakfast. Girl, I killed it. But stay tuned because I'm going to complete the get ready with me and let y'all know how this 20 pounds in 2 months came up. That food at Metro Diner was so good. I'm sorry, I was trying to film some of it. But so guys, we're gonna go into Home Goods today and check this out. Now that bench that I got from Facebook Marketplace, we're going to see if there's going to be one in here that we can find. Oh, here's some stools. These are nice. Look, here is a sideboard, like an entryway, and this is the price. Now we're going to try to compare the Facebook Marketplace compared to the Home Goods. Let's look at some rugs. Oh, that's a nice price for a rug. $59, $79. That's nice. Oh, that's plushy. Oh, that's nice.
This is how long you should feel, right? Maybe.
Yeah, this is.
Kids did it that, right?
No, we had wool. I'm looking at some rugs, and these are actually good price at Home Goods. And I was saying that Rugs USA, you can find deals on Rugs USA, but these are pretty good deals at Home Goods right here. And then right now, I think a lot of outdoor rugs are on sale because the season is closing. Oh, this is pretty.
This is big.
I like this. This will fit perfect.
This,
Yeah, this is nice. I'm gonna take a picture of it. This will go nice in the living room. These vases, they're so pretty. Triples. Okay guys, so I wanted to compare, like, this is a texture art, so you can still create this. You can just add like black paint to it, gold stripes, kind of like a watercolor underneath, put your texture on top and add colors. And then this is $79, and I created my whole art piece for only $17. So this is resin though. If you know how to do resin, you can do that. Actually, this is plastic with resin on top. Here's another texture art piece, $129. And basically, they kind of did what I did with less texture and more paint. Pretty nice. Okay, so this pot right here looks like an Our Home pot. That's like, I think that's like $100 and something. This is a DW, but I don't see the price. Only 20 bucks. And it's like an Our Home pot to me, I think, at Home Goods. Okay, so here is a Rustic Bench. It's not like quite like mine, but look, $149. And then here's a padded one for $149. So pretty much you're gonna pay like $150 for a bench. This is a pretty coffee table. $199. Very nice hutch. Look at these. These are interesting. Okay, guys, we're headed to the house. Okay, now it is a whole 2 days later, guys. I'm going to do a get ready with me on how I lost 20 pounds in 2 months. But this is Panera Bread's cheddar and broccoli soup. And what I do is I only use 1/4 of the serving container. I add heavy cream and cheddar and Parmesan cheese to the sauce. To make it creamy but keeping the carbs and calorie count down. It is so delicious. My auntie used to make this broccoli casserole when we were younger, and it kind of it mimics that for me. So it's kind of comfort food. It tastes really good. Now this is the Marketplace bench, guys. Look at this. It's so beautiful and it's well aged. It's actually an Elm Scholars Bench. And anything you get that's this solid is going to run you between $300 to $1,500. As you can see on this site, Moo and McGee, they want between $1,500 to $600 for their bench. It is such a beautiful quality, and it's called the Elm Scholars Bench, and it's very sturdy. It's nice for entryway, nice for the foot of your bed. This is showing just a few of the prices that come along with this type of product, the prices. Now, my living room is a little messy, so let me straighten it up a little bit. I tried to get this video out, so I didn't really fix my pillows or anything like that. So let me straighten up a little bit. So if you haven't watched my last YouTube tutorial on how I created that vase, it is a texture restoration hardware type of vase. And that this dobo and that sphere that I have in there, I both got from At Home. Really good price. I think the sphere was like $4 and the dobo was like $40. Now that is the bench, and I tried on a different location. So this is a rental, and you know, rentals usually have small foyers. I mean, unless you live in a bigger city or live down south, but in the northeast, this is our foyer most of the time. But this is what I created. So I just put the bench there, put the you know, the rug mat. I moved my pedestal, that slate. I actually created that as well. So I am trying out some products on there, like this vase I had for at least 14 years. I love this vase. Okay, I'm trying like different things to place on this bench. I kind of like it here. It goes well on the other side too. So I added a Kim style pillow to the bench. I'm also going to try a larger vase on the bench. I'm into small prints right now. Like I have a small print in my bedroom and I have a small print in my foyer. I just like that style. You have to leave a comment. Tell me what you guys think. Should I put a larger painting right there? Will it close off that little small foyer area? This is the larger vase. I'm just trying it out. Definitely would need a different shape, but it does look cute, and it's actually a really sturdy vase. So I'm just kind of maneuvering everything right now to see what looks good, what doesn't look good. For those that don't know, that's pampas grass. You can buy it off of Amazon. I actually was on the truck with my children's father, and I seen some pampas grass growing upstate New York, and I was like, well, let me grab a couple of it, and I cut a few and I brought it home. But this is how this looks. Tell me what you guys think in the comments. Should I move the bench there or the other side? But it helps to have the bench there, so when people come in, you know, I require everybody to take my shoes off. It's just cleanliness, as well as, you know, with COVID and everything like that, everybody spit on the ground, you know, so I just have everybody take their shoes off. So just trying a few things out. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Okay, so far this is the most functional and it looks pretty good to me. I'm just gonna leave that like that for right now, but I just absolutely love this bench. It's called an Elm Scholars Bench. It's so super solid. You see my son sitting on the couch. But I'm also looking at, I don't know why the light is turning green, but I'm also looking to extend the curtain rod. Even though there's not a window, you can add like extra curtains to give the illusion of more windows. But I am planning on moving, so I may not do that, but there is my DIY textured vase, and add a little fall decor to the aesthetics. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you join in next time.